This week, I'll be teaching about how to stay present in your body while you're painting. And this can go for watercolors, but it also can be for when you're creating on the computer or washing the dishes. These exercises are just going to help you come back to body awareness and should help you with really anything in your daily life that you use your body for, which should be everything. I think as creatives, we get so wrapped up with what comes out onto the paper, what we can produce, and what we see, that we lose sight of how we're breathing and how we're holding our bodies. So these exercises are to loosen you up and to connect you with your breath, allowing you to create more fluidly and without stress. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is come in and create a circle just with my fingers really close to the brush point, and just with my fingers moving, create that circle. Then I'm going to come in and create the circle with my wrist. So you can take a couple passes first, not on the paper, and then go ahead and create that circle with your wrist. This is also good because it shows you that you can really load up your brush with water and paint. So I'm going to try that again. Nice. And one more time. Maybe you start to incorporate breath and you take that deep inhale for the whole thing, or inhale and exhale as you come around. Last one, or sorry, two more. One, we're going to use our whole arm. So our whole arm is going to go around. It looks like I can really load up a lot more with my pigment. So you can do this with pencil and paper, but if you do it with watercolor, it's good. It's a good warm up to learn about your paper and how much water it can hold. So again, it's going to go around with my whole arm. And last one. Cool. And then this time we're going to take one more circle, a little bit bigger, and we're going to use our whole body. So you can kind of dip your shoulder in, maybe rotate around your rib cage, and just experiment a little bit with moving your body a little more than normal. Maybe you stand up, or sitting down, you can do it too. So that was super easy, just 4 circles, starting really tight and moving back towards our body. Next one we're going to do, you can keep the same piece of paper or switch it up, whatever you want. I'm going to keep the same, use a different color. This one is for our breath. So with a deep inhale, you're going to lift the paintbrush up and create an upstroke. And with an exhale, you're going to pull that paint stroke down next to your original upstroke. So it goes like this: inhale and exhale. So again, your watercolor practice, you want to load that brush up enough so that you can make it all the way to your exhale. But you'll see that you'll also get these really nice texture points. This is a dry brush here, brush stroke here, that just creates some really nice texture. So it's not all bad if you don't load it up enough. It's just an experiment. So again, inhale and exhale. Do that twice more. And the last one, you're going to load your brush up, or just bring your pencil to cross your body to the outer edge of the paper, and you can put your brush stroke down and then close your eyes. Take a really deep inhale and create a circle around the outer edge of your page. Don't worry about going off the paper. Just with your eyes closed, create a really slow circle around the outer edge. Once you think you've reached the beginning point, hold your brush perpendicular to your paper so it's standing kind of up and down, and slowly lift the brush off the paper. And then put the brush down to the side, and it can land anywhere. Put your hand down on your table or in your lap. Feel your arm relax, feel your hand relax, your shoulder relax. Feel your neck soften and all the muscles of your jaw and your face soften. Your eyes are still closed. Then you're going to take a nice deep breath into your whole body, all the way down to your feet. And exhale out your nose. Then softly open your eyes. And you can look down at your beautiful piece that you just created. And, go and enjoy the rest of your day being a little bit more grounded and rooted within your body. Thank you.